Read a smile behind my mask. How long will it last? Stimulus going fast. Government won't act. How long will this be going on?
Aloha, this is Skye, your soulful progressive with FNN-Feminist News Network, that feminist news that's right for you. Welcome to Skye in the Avapui room, giving you that soulful news you need. Yes, indeed. And if you haven't told a friend to like or subscribe and get that soulful news that soulful way, well, baby, you better let them know they can get it today. And what is it I want to talk to you about today? What is really going on? Retail traders revenge. On Reddit. Now let me explain how this is going on and what is really happening. Now, you have a group of short traders that have, or short sellers for years, that are elite manipulating the markets. And I know about this because I used to work for American Express at one time, and other banking institutions and brokerages. Now, there are short traders out there that are elites that make a lot of money, but they do it by short selling, and this destroys companies, businesses. This is what put Toys R Us under. Is doing this as soon as they went public, and then all of a sudden they got short traded and got put out of existence because they were told, and this is what they do, they say the company ain't worth nothing, and then people sell off their stock while they collect on the back end and make money. But there was somebody on Reddit that's in this group of 2.2 million traders called it's called the Wall Street Bait, and what they do, they use Robinhood trading or something like that, and this subscriber let it be known back in April 2020 that they noticed GameStop, which is a popular retailer. I usually, back in the day when I had my PlayStation 2, I would sell and buy games, and I kept using my PlayStation 2 for a long time, and they still had games that I could use. And if I lost a game, they had one I could replace. It was good. And they had, some of them had comic books and things of that nature, figurines, and they're really nice down here in Hawaii, and we have a lot of them. They're well known. So I'm quite sure there's a lot of retail traders in Hawaii that knew about this also. And what happened was they found out that like 84% was, this subscriber found out 84% of the stock was on short sale. They saw that they were ready to crash out GameStop, which would cost a lot of people their jobs, their money. There's not a lot of bookstores and this type of stuff around no more, because this is one of the ways they got rid of the borders. This is ugly. It's like it's capitalism at the wrongest. So they told them to buy the stock, but they instructed them to not make it available for short sale because they already got 84% of it. They don't need no more, right? So everybody started buying it, which made the price of the stock go up 1,100%. It went from like $20 in a couple of weeks, and once everybody got a hold and got everything and it started blowing up, it went to like $280 a share. Ha! So the poor traders, the millennial traders, the traders that are your everyday working class traders. Yeah, your working class traders won out and beat them out so bad until these short sell investor groups like Melvin and a lot of other ones had to ask for money just to build back up their business, almost putting them under. Now, I got something that I copied off of your boy, and we're going to take a look at what he says at the end. But it's, look, all of this short selling, they ain't supposed to be doing none of that anyway. And now all of a sudden that the poor people won out, and look, they're not getting no more than about $500, $1,000 each. But it's 2.2 million. And we're not getting no COVID checks. People are getting creative. They're not working. They're at home. People are getting their hustle on. You can't blame them for doing that. And if these rich people, they want to start regulating now, Adrena Friedman of NASDAQ saying that we need to change. No, you don't need to change nothing, Adina, while you're wearing your black leather jacket and stuff and showing off your privilege. You need to let these people win. It's a game of risk. And if the big boys can't hang with the poor boys and their intelligence enough to figure out your game and beat you at it, that's what it's really about. Some rich people lost money to the poor people that were smart enough to beat their game. But that's how innovation and optimism and the working class grows. Because we have the knowledge too. And that's why elites try to cut off education and this and that. So you don't try to get the knowledge. So you don't know how to outsmart them. Don't let me start getting deep on that. Because watch the laws and stuff. They're going to start trying to pass. And that's the last thing they need to do. And don't try to say somebody else is involved, because that's a elitist move too. We're tired of the corporations and the police state and the capital control of our lives. And if there's a break in a chance, let them have a break in a chance. And if you agree with me before I leave these comments, let me know at FeministNewsN@gmail.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and the Facebook page. Remember, I'm that Soulful Progress 1 on Twitter. Got that rant of the day on Blogger. And I'm no longer the one-woman team. So thank you, news crew. Alright, thank you. And if you care to donate, I got the Venmo or the PayPal me, Feminist News Network. Alright, so let's take a listen to what this man says, and then I'm going to let you go, because it's crazy. It's crazy.
We like the stock. We like the stock. I mean, that's the kid where Ryan Cohen got in. He bought 15% at $8. He's on the board. We like the stock. How is that bad? Or do you think that they're concentrated and doing some sort of manipulation if they say they like the stock?
Well, I don't know if they're concentrated because I don't have subpoena power and I can't really go out and look at it. I could argue I don't even know if there are foreign powers at work here behind the scenes trying to make chaos of our markets.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Peace.
See the smile behind my mask. How long will it last? Stimulus going fast. Government won't act. How long will this be going on? I'm standing here in